in multi-year. So of the 1.1 million that Capricorn gave us, 400,000 again was allocated to the waste department. Last year already we started with Capricorn to do 5 sites outside multi-year. Resettlement, previously disadvantaged people, where we went out and restored the water, put up new tanks, borehole rehabilitation by Common Waters, Mr. Guido van Wittersheim. He first go out, check the water system, install that. Then we had, after that, we go in, we do the basic fencing off and everything. So with the help of Capricorn, we could extend that to put up water tanks, to put up a dripper system, to put up a little greenhouse on those sites. So this year we continue with that process in horticulture of plus minus $600,000 again. And progress is not slow, but you need to make an impact from the beginning. So it is intensive to found good partnerships with these previously disadvantaged guys that are on these lands. You need to form the relationships, the trust, that they are a good plan to go forward, to put it into, it is not short term, this is long term. We need to educate you in this. Are you willing to go with us? We are walking with you. We will do this in 4 or 5 years to bring you, with the help of Capricorn, with the funding that we are so grateful